Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, January 23rd, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we have our Moby Max due tomorrow. We've also got practice 6.4b. Make sure that you are using our journals for that. We also have our first units of measurement test tomorrow. Make sure you've been studying and preparing for it. Remember, you need to get a 36 out of 40 or a 90% in order to pass and not have to retake it again next week. On Tuesday, we will have our Chapter 6 test. In science, we need to bring our headphones. Honor Science, your display board for your science fair, is due on Monday. In social studies, hopefully you did well on the Egypt quiz today. There is no homework. In language arts, we've got journal number 3 from the Watsons Go to Birmingham. And if you have the earbuds, please bring them with you tomorrow as well. In literature, we've got our Chapter 3 work from Freedom Walkers. And remember, tomorrow is our Freedom Walkers vocabulary test. Make sure that you have been using your study guide and Quizlet to prepare for this. It's going to be it for today. Everyone have a fantastic Thursday.